And Kenya Power has involved its board to look into possible loss of funds due to mismanagement at the utility farm. Kenya Power Director for Audit Sachen Gudka says holding the management accountable will help the farm seal revenue leakages in its transformation strategy.
In the year ending June 30th, 2020, Kenya Power posted a net loss of 939 million shillings, indicating that the company was hemorrhaging funds not only from COVID-19 misfortunes, but also from operational challenges.
With regard to the issue of mismanagement and also what is the root cause of losing funds, we are addressing this in a systemic manner, also holding management accountable, and the board will be pretty heavily involved in driving the strategy to prevent further leakages and mismanagement by the management team.
This emerged during the company's 99th annual general meeting held virtually, where officials pledged a turnaround strategy to improve sales and revenue.
Our short-term priority is to stabilize the company's cash position in order to provide it with a platform for recovery and growth. We are well on the way to realizing this short-term goal through a combination of paying close attention to costs, including sealing loopholes that facilitate financial hemorrhage, improving revenue collection, and working to improve service delivery.
Officials say they are intensifying the crackdown on illegal electricity connections, enhancing inspections, and rolling out smart meters in its drive to plug revenue shortfalls.
Currently, 6,818 out of 7,802 large power customers are on smart meters. We have also extended the project to SMEs with an initial target of 55,000 customers.
In the year ended June 2020, Kenya Power connected 500,397 customers, largely through the last mile connectivity project, raising its customer base by 7.2% to 7.57 million. Alan Auko, Channel One Business.